Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So we have a pretty solid green bar from Friday. We are in an area of resistance, which is right where we are. You can see these tails to the downside here. Nothing much to the left. And you can see I do have a buy limit set here back at the retest of 34.05. So I've got my limit in a little bit higher at 34.22, but that's just because we've got some congestion right over here. Anyway, that was put in over the weekend just in case we decided to have a quick squirt down while I was sleeping. Didn't really materialize, so I suppose we'll probably take it out. But for now, I think I'm just going to leave that in because we are in an area of resistance. And looking at the 3 hour here, there's no real reason to be short. You should be looking for longs. Trend is to the upside. We are quite far away from support, and that's the part that is, sorry, I just want to put another level in here. You can see what I'm doing, guys, just picking up these areas here, because that's going to be my areas of support. You can see that's pretty much what transpired last week as well. So let's get down to the hour. Okay, so obviously first price to me would be a pullback all the way down to 34.22. Don't think that's going to transpire somewhat. I think we need to be paying attention to 34.72 and then ultimately 34.55 unless some noise comes through. So that's kind of the play that we have at the moment. I'm not interested in going along here. I want to see it pull back and I want to see some support. So I can actually fine tune that right onto there. That's 34.69 or 34.70. The 34.70 would be a fairly decent entry long. We do have a fairly strong trend line as well. So find support here, and then I'm looking for a breakthrough here. A breakthrough 34.88, which is pretty much where we are now. Let me just get to the right. I think I'm going to have to go quite far. Maybe too far for us. Let's just go to the 4 hour. Okay, so you can see if we break through this area that we're at now, your next logical area is, well, there are a few, but those are them there. Okay, so if we break through, let's get back to the hour, come here. Right, so we break through this area that we're at now, which is 34.88. Then we're going to be looking for 35.05. Then we're going to be looking for 35.14. And then we're going to be looking for 35.29. So from here, you're talking about 134, 236, and then a good 395 points. And your risk at the moment, well, I wouldn't be trading now, but if we do get we get the pullback onto here, then your risk is pretty much going to be in the region of 180 points. So risk of 180 points for, I mean these levels, I anticipate these levels are going to go, and what you're going to find is we're coming up. And you can see I'm just taking the underside of each candle because that's going to be the area that's going to offer resistance. The ultimate high for me at the moment is 35.71, and then we have the all-time high. Okay, so this is a strong move to the upside. The divergence from the moving average is quite far, and if you look at what happened here, came back on the moving average, similar to here, and then diverted, and then you can see an attempted exhaustion bar, we carried on, and then an exhaustion bar before falling. Okay, so obviously I want to buy off support. There is not much support at the moment, so the only other thing that I can do is switch to the 15-minute and look for opportunities on the 15 minutes. And you can see there's even more levels in the 15 minutes in amongst here. Okay, So anyway, that's kind of my view. I think 34.69 or 34.70 is the area to buy off. I'll be surprised if we break through this now during this European session. I'd expect us to sort of go flat, sell off a bit, because looking at the DAX, I don't think the DAX is looking very strong. So the DAX is going to lead the way for us. And you'll probably only get the opportunity later this afternoon in the US session. Okay. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.